Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a super creamy and refreshing agua fresca de frutas. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious drink, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe, we're going to need 2 cups of fresh cantaloupe, 1 banana, 8 fresh strawberries, 1 apple, 1 medium-sized mango, 1 guayaba, 1 cup of peaches in 100% juice, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of strawberry concentrate, 3 cups of milk, and water. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so this drink is seriously super easy. The hardest part is just disinfecting and chopping your fruit. But once you have that, now we're just going to transfer it to our blender cup. So we're going to begin with the peaches, with the banana. That's going to help with the creaminess, the guayaba, our mango, apple, strawberries, and of course if you want to add other fruits you can go ahead and do that, or if you don't like something you can always take it away. And to that we're going to add our sweetened condensed milk. Now if you don't have sweetened condensed milk you can always substitute for sugar. So just make sure that you add it all. And the riper your fruit is, the less sugar you're going to need. So just keep that in mind. Our evaporated milk, vanilla, strawberry concentrate, it's always an option. And we're going to blend with our milk. So just fill it up to the top. Make sure that all the fruit is covered. Okay, so we're going to cover it and now blend until smooth. Alrighty, and once we have it all nice and blended, we can transfer it to our pitcher. Transfer to pitcher. Okay, we're going to add the rest of the milk. And I'm adding 4 cups of water, but of course, if you want it more diluted, you can always add more. Now we're going to mix it. Okay, and taste it for sugar. Adjust it if needed. For me, it's perfect. So now we're going to add our ice. And I like to add my ice before serving. So just make sure that you fill it up. And just like that, we have our delicious agua de frutas. Okay, now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now we can get ready for the fun part, serving. Alright, so I'm going to be garnishing with fresh fruit. Of course, it's always optional. I have my cup filled with ice. And just like that, serve. Okay, now just garnish with our fresh fruit. Okay, add your straw. And just like that, cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make and very delicious that everyone gets to enjoy it. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. It's so creamy like a smoothie and so refreshing like an agua fresca. And you can taste the fruit is just amazing. You know, you could taste the peaches, the guayaba, the banana. You can taste them all. This is honestly perfection. So good. And it's just perfect sweetness, which is the condensed milk. It's perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious agua fresca de frutas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.